Carbohydrates or carbs have a bad rap. For years they have been demonized. We have been told to limit them in our diets and they have been labeled as the enemy. But the other views, there is nothing wrong with carbs, just go ahead. Now it's time to know about carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are one of the macronutrients along with protein and fat, and they are made up of sugar, starch, and fiber. In fact, any food composed of sugar, starch, or fiber is considered a carbohydrate. Since the ratio of hydrogen to oxygen atom in carbohydrate is usually the same as the water, that's the reason they called carbo plus hydrate, as in watered carbon. Carbs contain 4 calories per gram. Carbohydrates are the body's primary source of fuel. In the body, carbohydrates are broken down into glucose, sugar, to be used as a source of energy to help fuel our day, as a source of energy for our brain, and a source of energy for muscle function. Much like a car runs on gas, our bodies run primarily on carbohydrate. When consumed carbohydrates are broken down by our digestive system into gas and stored in our body's gas tank, liver, and muscles. When consumed in appropriate amount, carbohydrate helps to adequately fuel our gas tank. However, when carbohydrates are consumed in excess, we have the potential overflow our gas tank, which can lead to high blood sugar, weight gain, fatigue, and many other issues. Structure of carbohydrate. Structure of carbohydrate divided into simple and complex. Complex carbohydrates are those composed of 2 or more sugar molecules, while simple carbohydrates are composed of 2 or less sugar molecules. Complex carbohydrates are merely more complex because they are made up of large sugar molecules that take longer to be broken down in the digestive tract and therefore take longer to reach our bloodstream. Simple sugar are always in this basic format, glucose, and therefore they can be absorbed very quickly into bloodstream. Simple carbohydrates: fruits, fruit juice, honey, dairy products, white sugar. In addition of these natural simple carbohydrates, you can also find simple carbohydrates in refined forms such as pastries, candy, sweet, dessert, or anything made with white sugar. Although these foods all contain simple carbohydrates unlike natural version, refined version contains no vitamins and minerals, nor do they contain any fiber to slow down digestion and therefore overflow our gas tanks much faster than natural simple carbohydrates. Starchy complex carbohydrate. Starchy complex carbohydrates are carbohydrates made up of long chain of sugar and more starch than simple carbohydrate. Common source of starchy complex carbohydrate includes potatoes, rice, grains, beans. Starchy complex carbohydrate eventually break down into glucose in the body and can therefore serve as a good source of energy. Compared to simple carbohydrates, starchy carbohydrates take longer to digest and therefore their energy release is slower. Fibrous complex carbohydrate. Fibrous complex carbohydrate are the most forgotten form of carbohydrate and include most form of vegetables, and as the name implies, a rich source of fiber. Fiber is the indigestible carbohydrate and is the structural material in the leaves, stems, and roots of plants. So it is found mostly in vegetables. Examples: sprouts, cabbages, carrots, cauliflower, cucumber, mushrooms, etc. So when it comes to carbohydrate, just remember, not all simple carbs are bad and starchy carbs are good. Rather, it is the format, type, and quantity in which we consume them that makes them as ideal or not. Carbs are not unhealthy. They simply need to be consumed in their most natural format and in reasonable amount. The goal is simple: to keep your gas tank fluid in proportion to your level of activity, and the rest will take care of itself. Thank you.